Yo, good afternoon guys. We are here at the moment in Tumari Mountain. So basically I finished my duty today at 2 o'clock. I start at 6 and I drive Stepan to get to Shoal Bay area to pick up his car, because that car is driven by his wife to get to work this morning. Because they live very near to my workplace, so Stepan just walk. That's the Tumari Mountain. We've been there so many times, and there are many cars here. I'm going to boil an egg. It's going to be my lunch. Oh, it has a crack. Okay, 3 pieces of eggs. Okay, that's enough. It's boiling already. Okay. Most of these cars, they are traveler. Like that caravan. I should cook a rice also. I should just put the egg on top of the rice. Mistake. Okay, I'm going to cook rice. I still have this much of rice. Actually, I cook all the rice, so finish. No more rice. I want to have a big meal, so I'm going to eat also this one. You know, the one that I ate yesterday, I mean last night. Just sauce. There is no chicken inside. It is already with rice inside, but not enough. Okay, the rice is cooked now. I'm going to microwave this one. It is the curry sauce. Need to clean it right away, because if not, it will stay there for long and will be dirty. I'm going to put this egg here. So I have egg curry, and this is my lunch. Oh, this one is good. It has a little piece of chicken. You know, inside the bun it's not actually hot as long as the windows are open.
To way back to the stage where her performing dreams began. From several years to life in prison.
Look at those mom and dad. They are dancing, like doing TikTok. Very nice. It is sunset now. So now the daughter dancing like they are expressing their happiness being in this place, in seeing the sunset. Very nice. That's happy family. We are still here. It is now already 6:46. I am eating again this bagel and editing a video. Yo, good morning guys. This is where I slept last night. Actually, yesterday I did not able to vlog because I was very tired and then busy also. I like this comforter, very good. My first time to experience with the comforter is when I moved to Dubai. Amazing. I was not expecting, because in the Philippines sleeping is just with the just blanket, a normal blanket, a regular cheap blanket. Like what I said, was very busy yesterday. So after work I finished at 2 o'clock, start at 6, and then I went to the gym. But I stay in the van because I was feeling sleepy. Actually, there was a plan that I'm going to the house of Rick and Christina, because there is like a small gatherings again. But I need to go to the gym because I need to take a shower. And so I wake up and then went to the gym. That was already 3 o'clock, 3:30 actually. I just did that 10 minutes running, and I did some setups, and leave some actually for the chest. Yeah, and then I went to the shower, took a shower nicely, and then went to the grocery. I bought ice cream, ice pop kind something, and I went to the house of Rick and Christina. And yeah, very nice. It's always inspiring, keeping me motivated for my goal. Yeah, they give me again the food, pork and fish, dried fish. So pork is very common in the Philippines, and dried fish soup, but need to reheat. And rice, banana spring roll. This is sweet and this is delicious. And this is also, actually this one is coming from Sarah Jane and Stanley. It is a kind of noodles, non-fried, no added oil, no preservatives, restaurant quality. Yeah, this one looks like a straw, but yeah, it's noodles. Also, they give me this kind of seasoning. Not all people living in the van able to experience this. You know, having a friends that is giving you food. Thank you very much. I really appreciate having this food. Yeah, really helps me to save. It saves me time, it saves me money. Yeah, it saves me a lot of things. Thank you very much. Well, actually, the pork belly, the pork is coming from Brian and Crystal. Now I'm going to organize it in the fridge. I don't know if there is a space here, but yeah, I have some breads here. Okay, I leave it there. This also I leave it here. I'm going to the grocery to buy a sealed plastic to keep that. Yeah, this is the bag that I'm getting. There's something cheaper in here, so I get this one. That's it. I don't need anything else. Oh, look at this. As you can see, this is empty. Yes, it means that everything is still new. Nothing is old. I'm not going to eat the dried fish. I'm going to eat it maybe tomorrow. Easy to seal. And you know, I actually still have this one. This is supposed to be for cat, but yeah, I don't have a chance to go to their house. And I have one more here. Remember the warmer? Yeah, this one. This about $40. I'll just give it to charity. I don't want to sell it online or in Facebook Marketplace because I don't like it. Yeah, I feel like this is not satisfying as a cooker. For sure, this is just a warmer. Oh, look at that Volkswagen Transporter. It's beautiful. Okay, we are now here in Venice, here in Nelson Bay. And yeah, I decided I'm going to just give this to them. Also this, because this bowl, it doesn't fit on my fridge. So yeah. And yeah, I decided also that I'll just give it to the charity. Good afternoon. Hi, good morning. I would like to give this.
Is it donation?
Yeah.
Well, a real one. Oh. Thank you.
You'll take it? It's a warmer for camping.
Oh, yeah. Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, good. So basically they are going to sell it, and yeah, they are a charity company, charity shop. They will sell it and donate the money to the one who needs it. There are other shops like that, like Salvation Army, Lifeline, that one Venice, and some are locals in the community. You know, I have more space in the van. Actually, I have my uniform here, but this uniform doesn't look good anymore. There are a lot of stain, chef jacket, but I don't think they're going to accept it. Yeah, so I just throw it in the bin. It's 4 pieces of chef's jacket. Because I got already the new one, it's a pre from the company. So that's what I am using now. We are now here and I suddenly feel hungry, and so this is where I am going to eat. Yeah, but I need to organize these things first. Very messy. Well, actually, let me show you how it is outside here. Yeah, not very busy, as you can see, not so much cars. Even at the beach, actually not busy. Let me show you, but it's beautiful. It is high tide at the moment. Yeah, you can see the water is just there. When it is low tide, the water is over that side, and this is how it is. Beautiful, but yeah, not so much people. The temperature is a little bit cold, but having a shirt is just okay. I am thinking of recooking my meal over that picnic table. Let me show you. Actually, if you are camping here in Australia, I mean if you are living in the van here in Australia, you don't need the stove, because most of the towns, city, they have this kind of yeah, automatic burner. I mean barbecue place. You just need to press the button and it is going to switch on. You can put barbecue, you can reheat food. But for me, yeah, I can't do it. I'm still shy to be seen by people doing you know, cooking there or showering in the, you know, things like that, showering in the public shower. I can't do that yet, on just relying on the public facilities. I'm sure I'm going to like it more if I toasted it in the pan. No need to put oil. Actually, I need to put oil. $500 actually. And if you look outside, it is not sunny. It means that the solar panel is not getting sun rays to produce energy for my lithium battery. Yeah, and today we're going to eat in the proper plate. This rice is also coming from the gathering yesterday. Yeah, that's why thank you to Rick and Christina, Stanley and Sarah Jane, and also to Brian and Crystal. Yeah, also to the kids. This is going to be my very first time to eat in the plate. That's it, we are going to work now. Still 1 hour to start my duty, but yeah, I want to secure a parking.